In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a financial model from your data in Excel using an AI agent. No formatting, no formulas, no headaches. Just tell AI what you want to do in one prompt and watch it build. Okay, so the first step, so we're going to create a template. So the first thing you have to do, you have to go to chat.ajelix.com. So this is the tool that we're going to use. This is how the interface looks like. So first, we have a prompt prepared. I have already prepared it. So here is the prompt. So it's a basic prompt where I'm asking AI to create a comprehensive sales financial model in Excel. So I will provide a file, and then he has to analyze it in depth, produce an advanced investor grade analysis, using dynamic charts and blah blah blah, and create a dashboard. So the next thing I should do, I should add a file. So I'm gonna use a file that I have already uploaded in my workspace. So here is like a demo sales data. It has like revenue, the profits, the product categories. So it's pretty standard, nothing super specific though. So before I'm hitting send, it's super important to check that I'm in agent mode, because the chat mode is more for light tasks, research, just fast response, and just chatting, interacting with the AI. And the agent mode is for more complex tasks like analysis, web page creation, application creation, code, and yeah. So agent is running autonomously to complete the task. It can fix the errors and things like that. So we want to make sure that we're in agent mode, because we want this spreadsheet to be amazing. Another thing I want to check is the model that I have selected. So at here, clicking on here, for this task, as it's super advanced, I want to use a model that is more intelligent. So when I'm choosing a model, I don't want to choose a model that is less intelligent. It will be faster, but the result will be just disappointing. So I want to make sure that I'm using an advanced model that is trained for tasks like this. So I'm using at this point this model. And yeah, well, now we have to click send. At this point, the AI will take a look at the prompt. It will analyze the data I have provided, and it will reason. And yeah, I think it will take some time. I don't think, I know that it will take some time for him to create the prompt itself. And yeah, okay, so usually before, if you have provided a prompt, usually an agent will provide a work plan, like in this case. So it has created a task list with the things that he will do at this to complete this task. And at this point, you can see its reasoning and understand if this is something that you want, if he has really understood the job, or maybe you have to make some adjustments. At this point, everything looks good to me. So, but I could always include more like 6-month forecast or 12-month forecast, right? But I'm just gonna click start task and see what it will create. So at this point, I'm gonna stop the video because it will take several minutes to complete the task, and I will return to you with the result from AI. Okay, so AI has finished the task. It has finished generating the Excel file, and we can see it here. So let me just show you what happened here. So AI performed this task around 10 minutes. Here you can see that we press the execute button, and then we can see the 15 actions that it did to complete and provide the task. So yeah, here we can see that he had some issues, but he fixed them. So there were some errors, and so it was able to fix these formula errors and file errors by himself. So that's super amazing. Yeah, and so, okay, as here's the summary. And so yeah, let's take a look at the file. Here is the folder. And at this point, you can either save it to my files if you want to access it later, or use in other chats to continue chatting about this file. Important to notice that here the AI generated files auto-delete in 48 hours. So if you want access to it, you have to either download it, that's what we're gonna do, or you have to save it to my files. But yeah, let's see the file itself, what AI did, how he performed the task. Okay, I don't know why it popped the Excel in my other screen, but okay. So here you can see it has generated a sales financial dashboard. Here we can see the formulas. They're all real formulas. So I think that's just amazing. Yeah, and here are like calculations, and it has created several sheets. So let's take a look at the revenue trends. So yeah, it has created like data for the revenues, the average ticket, the summaries. Uh, Here is also data about forecasting scenarios. Here you can also see the formulas it has used. So everything is dynamic at this point. Yeah, the scenario growth analysis, 12-month revenue forecast. So yeah, it has done actually a pretty great job, I would say. Here we can see the summaries for each location and with totals. It has extracted the data because I had like this one whole table with more than 100 rows. And yeah, we can see by product category, by payment category, so top performing products. And so yeah, and this is the raw data that we provided, and it actually created a pretty table that I didn't had previously. So yeah, if this isn't amazing, I don't know what is, because this template is just amazing. And at this point, if we want, we can ask him to provide additional charts and to perform more like visualizations or add charts, because in our prompt we didn't ask him for charts, so he didn't create them. But yeah, at this point, I would say that creating this Excel spreadsheet would take me like hours and hours of work if I'm creating it from scratch. And this is just, I would say, the ultimate time saver. And also, I won't be able to create that pretty spreadsheet, to be honest. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Before I stop the recording, I want to also show you what is more possible with agents. For example, last week I created several assets. For example, I uploaded a financial dashboard and financial data, and this is what it created. Like it's like fully interactive dashboard with summaries and insights. And actually, I'm just super hyped about this result because I did it in one prompt. I have also videos on our YouTube channel where I explain this workflow. So make sure to click follow and subscribe to Ajelix account, because we will be posting a lot of use cases on how you can use AI agents to perform, just to improve your workflow so much. And yeah, this is just one example, another example, of course. And I have also created like several vetting pages, not vetting pages, but landing pages using AI. I have even created like a forecast app where I can upload a file and I can just perform an analysis. So yeah, uh, this all is possible with agents, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that it was useful for you. I would really appreciate any feedback or comments below, as these are like one of the first videos that I'm creating. If there are use cases that you would love to see on this channel, we would love to hear your feedback. And yeah, so if you're interested, just go to chat.ajelix.com. So they have also free tiers, and you can try it and use it in your daily workflows to be more efficient. So yeah, make sure to follow us, subscribe to the channel, and let us know if there is anything that you would like to see on our channel.